The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Romblon in Region 4B or MIMAROPA region. The province of Romblon has the municipality of Romblon as its capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island group in Region 4B or the MIMAROPA region. It is composed of 0 cities, 17 municipalities, and 219 barangays. It was founded on March 16, 1901. The total land area is 1,533.45 kilometers squared or 592.07 square miles. Romblon is bordered clockwise from the north by the Sibuyan Sea and the Tablas Strait. Here are the different municipalities comprising the province of Romblon in MIMAROPA region or Region 4B. The municipality of Alcantara with 12 barangays, the municipality of Banton with 17 barangays, the municipality of Kahidyokan with 14 barangays, the municipality of Calatrava with 7 barangays, the municipality of Concepcion with 9 barangays, the municipality of Corcuera with 15 barangays, the municipality of Ferrol with 6 barangays, and the municipality of Looc with 12 barangays. We also have the municipality of Magdiwang with 9 barangays, municipality of Ojongan with 25 barangays, municipality of Romblon with 31 barangays, municipality of San Agustin with 15 barangays, municipality of San Andres with 13 barangays, municipality of San Fernando comprising 12 barangays, municipality of San Jose with 5 barangays, municipality of Santa Fe with 11 barangays, and the municipality of Santa Maria with 6 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Romblon in Region 4B or MIMAROPA region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.